Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix any issues related to screen rotation on NOKIA 5.3. And let's begin. And we can start with simply checking if we have auto brightness enabled. We can easily do that by simply expanding the control center once again, and as you can see here we have our auto rotate option. In order to enable it, all you have to do is simply click it, and as you can see it is currently on. However, if you don't see this option, I would advise you to simply click the pencil icon and find the auto rotation on the bottom. It should be somewhere here, and then simply hold and drag it on top of your control center, so you can have an easier access to this. So as you can see now, it will appear on the top. And if somehow your auto rotation is still not working, I would simply advise you to just turn off your phone and turn it on again, or simply restart it. I know it might sound silly, but when rebooting your device, you're also rebooting every single hardware and every other system on your phone as well, including the gyroscope, which is responsible for rotating your screen dependingly on your position in space. And while the phone is restarting, I also want to mention that not every application supports every single portrait mode, every single mode, because it's probably the best seen in games when, for example, Clash Royale is fixed and will only work in portrait mode. You cannot play Clash Royale in landscape mode, and the same things can be said about, for example, Call of Duty Mobile or Genshin Impact or all other portrait landscape mode games which cannot be played in portrait mode. So we want to basically make sure that the app that you want to use in other mode actually supports that mode, and then you want to make sure that you have your auto rotation option on. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.